Have you ever been sent a suspicious file from a friend that you don't really want to run, but you're curious? Well, here's a way you can do that. So first, you're going to download it. Yeah, I know. I don't care. Okay, now that we downloaded the file, open up I'm going to use Dropbox. You can use Google Drive, whatever you feel like. And then you're going to upload that file. So I'm going to upload it, and then you may have heard of something called a VM, a virtual machine. It's basically like a computer inside of a computer. Let me start my Windows one real quick. So this is my computer right here, okay? You're going to Control C, Control V. Bam, there's a VM. I'm an artist, I know. So the way you get Windows files, the .iso, you're going to look up Windows 10 Enterprise, and then go to the Microsoft official page for it, and then ISO Enterprise, right here. Basically put in a bunch of your information. It doesn't mean anything. I put in a bunch of random letters, and then click Download Now. So I just put in all my information, because I don't care, and then it brings you to this page, and then you're going to pick your language. Just do the 64-bit, and then once you click it, it's just going to start downloading. It is 5 gigabytes, so make sure you got a decent internet connection. But once that is installed, I'll make a separate video on how to set up a virtual machine. You're going to put it into your virtual machine hoster. I use VirtualBox. So as I said, it's a computer inside of a computer. I'll make a separate video on how to set them up. They do take, I'd say, 10 minutes to get going. I will leave the link for the Microsoft page to download the Windows 10 ISO in the description. The reason you can't use Windows 11 is because their goofy TPM chip and all that, and it doesn't like that. So once you boot into your VM, you're going to go to your browser of choice, and then you're going to go to the website for that you used, as in Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever. Okay, that took longer than I thought, but right here is that file, and I'm going to download that .msi that I have. Now that you've downloaded it, and go to your downloads, and I'm going to run it and see what happens. This one I've already done before. It doesn't do anything. It asks for admin, and it's just pointless. So, have fun. And this will not damage your system at all. And at worst, all you have to do is delete the virtual machine and make another one. Hope you enjoyed my first video. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments.